Encountered a C21 file from an old fax communication system? This is a fax document from FaxTalk Communicator software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these FaxTalk Communicator fax files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the C21 file. I'll reveal it at the end. C21 files are fax document files created by FaxTalk Communicator software developed by Thought Communications. They contain received or sent fax pages with image data, fax, metadata, and transmission information from telephone-based fax communications used in business environments before email-based document exchange became prevalent. C21 files use FaxTalk's proprietary format, storing fax page images with associated metadata, including sender information, transmission timestamps, page counts, and resolution settings. The format compresses fax bitmap images using standard fax compression algorithms while preserving fax-specific metadata for record keeping and retrieval. We suggest testing the C21 file first with the utility FaxTalk Communicator from Thought Communications. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Initiate the process by right-clicking the C21 file and choosing Open With. Use FaxTalk Communicator as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If your C21 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Since this C21 is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, opening in FaxTalk. Install FaxTalk Communicator software and use File then Open to load the C21 file. The application displays fax pages with all metadata and provides functions for printing, forwarding, or annotating fax documents. This is the primary application supporting full FaxTalk fax document functionality. Next, converting to PDF. Within FaxTalk Communicator, export fax documents as PDF or TIFF format for archival and sharing purposes. PDF files preserve fax appearance and provide universal viewing compatibility. Configure export settings for resolution and page selection to create properly formatted output files. Finally, using universal viewers. Try opening C21 files in Windows Fax and Scan or other fax viewing utilities which may support common fax formats. If FaxTalk use standard fax encoding internally, these utilities may render the content. Convert to TIFF format first for broader compatibility with image viewing applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.